to make it available to every religion, to make it available to every sector that wants to have their own individual private school. It just seems so foolish to me to set up, you know, their classrooms in churches and their classrooms all around, and then suddenly we would need new schools to house these kids, and then we've got transportation, when in fact the education system provides the public education, and that's where kids, in my view, need to go and become the melting pot of the community.
There's a danger of overexpanding in the sense of trying to fund too many school situations. For example, funding of the public school system should be the top priority. And I guess in today's terms, we're talking about public and the separate or Catholic school system, because they're basically funded equally. But to go beyond that, to fund private schools, I think would really be disastrous towards building up and improving the public school sector.